Peace and love. Welcome back to my channel. MinisterDionne here. This is the start of something new. If this video found you, it is for you. And every now and then we get this inkling and desire in our spirit to start something new, to commit to something. What is that for you? I want you to share in the comments what that is for you. Sometimes when we're starting something new, all of the voices come in our head of don't do it. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be challenging. You don't know what you're doing. Do you have that happen? Let me just tell you and keep it real. I have had that happen. I know people connected to me that's like, Dionne, you are like the showstopper. You are already on top of the world. You've done this before. That doesn't mean that it's always easy. And I do have the moments where those thoughts, self-sabotaging negative thoughts come in. And they do at times keep me from wanting to move forward, because at times I start to feel, am I capable enough? Are people going to see me? What are they going to think of me? Is this perfect enough? You're like, all the thoughts that you could possibly think about do arise in my mind. And it's usually when I am starting something new, because it's unfamiliar, it's uncharted territory. It is that area where I have gotten really uncomfortable and it's unknown. And sometimes when we're in that place of just stepping into the unknown and starting something new, we may already feel like we want to give up before we get started. And so I want to offer you some tips on what to do when those voices come in. First is, let's not judge the voices. They are what they are. And we can begin to create positive, counterproductive affirmations and ask-formations for ourselves when those thoughts arrive. So when you have the thought that comes in saying, I'm not good enough, I am good enough. Why is it that I am so great? Begin to be aware, and it takes a level of consciousness to be aware on a daily basis of those thoughts. A lot of the time our thoughts are going 50,000 miles per hour on all the different things. I had to practice using meditation, so there's another tip for you to calm down all of those intrusive thoughts and begin to relax in the knowing, looking at the vision of your future self. What is it that you want to do? What is it that you want to be? What is it that you want to become? And becoming so aware, so much so that that vision really sits within your soul enough that it creates a feeling within you. And there's a bridge between who you are and that future self. And one amazing thing that I did was write my future self a letter. And my higher consciousness, both the same in one, whatever you want to call it, that vision that you see in your mind of who you want to be, that version of you is already doing it. And my goodness, imagine what it is to write that letter, bringing your current self into the shoes of what you already see yourself as. When I wrote that letter to my future self in higher consciousness, who has been guiding me all along anyways, I just have become aware of it. When you're writing that letter, you could really begin to write it in such an empowering way that's like, thank you, higher consciousness. Thank you, future self, for already guiding me exactly to this desired reality that I want for myself. Thank you for showing me that I'm no longer going to be the past version of myself. Thank you that I now let go of these intrusive, negative, self-sabotaging thoughts, and I awaken to the new me every day. So whatever it is within your thoughts or within your behaviors that have been holding you back and making you feel like you cannot start something new, begin to write counterproductive activities. So if it's that you sleep in, Say you're going to get up 5 more minutes earlier just to meditate. You have to begin taking the intentionality to the next level. So whatever it is that you're looking to shift to, you need to begin shifting the behavior, shifting those thoughts, and actually have something tangible. So each day I have read the letter that I wrote to my higher consciousness and future self, and I began sitting with that vision. And when I'm meditating, I begin feeling that desired reality. And every day I am working that bridge. The bridge we forget about is between your current self and your future reality. It's going to take steps to get there. So if you can already see the bridge, you can begin working at these things to manifest the desired reality quicker. I'm looking forward to hearing the ways that you have taken these tips and begin to start something new. I'm rooting for you in every way. Be sure to hit that like, bell, subscribe, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace and love.